Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how you can use Uber Cash to pay for rides. Alright, let's begin with the video. First, open the Uber Eats application on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Now, tap on the account icon at bottom right corner of your screen and your profile page will load up. Here, tap on the payments icon at the top and select Add Payment Method. Inside this menu, you will have various options to add a new payment method. You can simply link a debit card with your Uber account and top up some credits into your wallet to use it for booking rides. Or you can just get to the rides page and tap on the payment option at the bottom. Here, you will see a toggle to enable Uber Cash. Simply make sure that it is enabled and you will be able to book rides using the Uber Cash. So that's basically how you can use Uber Cash to pay for rides. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.